There are a few factors that cause these dark circles and puffiness, such as fatigue, insomnia, stress, genetics, allergy, side effects of some medicines. If you don't get rid of the swelling in time, it can only be taken care of through surgery. So the best thing to do is try a few remedies that may prevent it from worsening. There are some great natural home recipes that you can use to treat and prevent these kinds of problems. 1. Sweet potatoes. The starch found in potatoes has clarifying properties. This vegetable has a high concentration of water and can both hydrate your skin and fight inflammation. Cut a sweet potato into slices and leave them in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Next, take 2 slices and put them so that they cover your eyelids and the skin under your eyes, and let them sit there for 15 minutes. 2. Cucumber. It has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can produce surprising results when put on your eyes. All you have to do is cut some cucumber slices and place them over your closed eyes until they turn warm. Next, trade them out for some fresh, cool slices. Do this for about 20 minutes and you will see visible improvements. 3. Green tea. Green tea can prevent liquid retention, eliminate the toxins found in our bodies, and prevent inflammation. What happens is that the area under our eyes stores fats and fluids, causing inflammations that turn into dark circles. So we recommend that you drink 2 cups of green tea a day, one in the morning and the other at night. 4. Apple. Put an apple in the refrigerator and when it gets cold, peel it and cut it up into a blender. Blend it with a tablespoon of oatmeal until it forms a thick paste. Cover your face with this paste and let it sit for 15 minutes. Next, rinse off your face with cold water. Apples have the ability to relax your muscles, so this mask will help you relax your tired, tense face after a long day. Any one of these recipes is great at making your face look more alive and awake. However, you must take some precautions, such as sleeping well and long enough. Fatigue is considered to be the main cause of this problem. Avoid anything that promotes liquid retention, such as too much salt and a sedentary lifestyle, as well as smoking and drinking. Drink tons of water, at least 2 liters a day. A well-hydrated body can easily eliminate toxins, improve your health, and avoid liquid retention. Consume diuretics such as green tea, parsley, cucumber, squash, etc. Protect your face from the sun. Avoid using chemical beauty products around your eyes, especially the ones that you don't know where they came from. Avoid rubbing your eyes constantly, since that irritates and damages the delicate tissue around your eyes. If you liked the video,